Welcome back. Should be getting the pre-open rates in the next 2-3 minutes. The indication is that we'll have a positive start. So let's talk about the trading strategies then. Sudarshan Sukhani and Sacchitanand Uttekar are with us. Gentlemen, good morning to both of you.
Sacchitanand, coming across to you. Good morning. Good to have you on the show. Tell us, what's your trade on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank?
Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Surabhi. Clearly, we saw some unwinding pressure yesterday in both the indices, Nifty as well as Nifty Bank. But if you look at the price action, the 5 DEMA support level was well defended. So if you look at yesterday's options data as well, we are seeing that there is a very strong support base at 24,500 for the Nifty. Corresponding level for Bank Nifty is placed somewhere close to around 54,700. So we don't see that the markets would slip below this particular base, and we are expecting that eventually market should resume its up move towards 25,000, 25,180. This is a positional target. So from a trading momentum perspective, I think a conditional buy would be about that 24,640 mark, wherein some aggressive long positions for the day can be deployed. One can keep a stop loss at 24,590 on a closing basis and expect a swing back towards 24,900 for the day. The positional target for the Nifty is placed somewhere close to around 25,180. When we look at Nifty Bank, 54,700 looks like a decent support. And on the higher side, we are expecting that Nifty Bank could also swing towards 55,300 eventually, especially if you look at the placement of the ADX. It is on a verge of breaking that 25 mark when we look at ADX 9. So I think both these indices are still placed on the positive zone, but the reward to risk opportunity looks better in Nifty for the day.
Okay, all right, got that. Let's talk stocks now, gentlemen. Okay, and Sacchitanand, your list?
So we like escorts. If you look at the way last two trading sessions have shaped out, we have seen a very strong V-shaped recovery here. The breakout was established at 3,500 levels, and the way the momentum indicators are placed, we are expecting that this particular rally may continue towards 3680. From a trading perspective, the target would be around 3560. One can keep a stop loss at 3470 and deploy long position in escorts. The second stock is HAL. There's a bullish flag formation on the daily scale. Again, a continuation pattern, indicating that price can get elevated towards 4770. From a pattern perspective, the target is placed at 4840. So the trading stop loss can be placed at 4570 on a closing basis.
Okay, Sacchitanand, I'm glad you mentioned that because I was going to ask you about defense stocks very quickly. So, do you only see an opportunity in HAL? For instance, Garden Reach today is looking good. In the pre-open, it's up 4-5%. Numbers are good. Anything else in the defense pack? And is this a tactical trade? I mean, are these intraday or maybe 1 week positions? Or do you see longer term trends also looking strong in these defense names?
Well, most of the stocks have been performing well. The other stock which we have recommended to our clients is BEL. Now, if you look at the overall, monthly scale, there's a strong, bullish breakout on its monthly charts, indicating that the stock can, elevate towards 400, 440 zone in the coming months. So I think this is one particular idea that can also be considered. Mostly, all these stocks are showing good signs of, momentum. The other stock which we like is also BHEL. Now, if you look at the overall structure, we have seen that the stock was, trending below its 200-day exponential moving average. But this week, it has managed to sustain above that particular level. And if you look at the overall construction, it looks like a inverse head and shoulder formation with a price target somewhere close to around 270. So I think this is also one particular stock that can be considered from a momentum perspective. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at around 230.
No, absolutely. Gentlemen, thanks both of you for joining us with that, setup and those trades, etc. as well. Let's talk about the telecom.